If you have a Miele W1 like this machine, and when you switch it on, it's dead. You don't get any digital display on the display here. What I found, if you look closely when you switch it on, there is a dull black backlight, not the bright one you normally see. It could be intermittent. If it does fire up when it's intermittent, it works fine. It doesn't fail. It either fires up or it doesn't. And what I found after a lot of work is at the back of the dual dose is a circuit board, and it was corroded. You can see one of the dual dose cartridges must be leaking. It was fairly corroded, and I'll show you the corrosion at the end of this video. I was able to clean it up and I thought it would be workable, but I decided to see if the machine would work with it unplugged, and it does. It works fine. My mistake was taking the front panel out and checking it for loose connectors or dry joints. I found nothing. Took this one out, same thing, found nothing, but it started working. And I thought it must have been a loose connector on it, but it was the fact I cleaned all this here, bumping this back circuit board, and it came good for about 2 weeks and then failed. And I've also taken this circuit board out. Just be careful. You have to take this off, split it in half, lift it up, and when you split this, it's still got a mechanical timer in there for about 6 gears, because I didn't know this, and I ended up with 6 gears and 2 springs all over the place, which took me half an hour to figure out how it went back together again. Anyway, that's a quick fix. Take the back panel off, unplug the dual dose circuit board, and see if it fixes your trouble. Yeah, this is the circuit board in question. That's a corrosion, and a close-up of the corrosion. It cleaned up okay. The tracks and solder joints weren't damaged, so it probably would work again. But I'm going to leave it in manual, putting in the detergent manually up the top, and forget about this dual dose at the bottom. Saves trying to find the leak. I hope this video helps somebody, because it would have helped me.